Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike KD12 University Red. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here on the first sample, so you can see the letter 35 here. On the fake one is slightly go down and a lot more transparent on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic one is you can see the whole word here 35. We can see the complete word here 35 here is not covered by this layer on the fake one. You can see on the authentic, and also there is a line here on the fake one below the tip of the Nike shoes, whereas on the authentic there is no line here, there is no black line. You can see here the line gap is too big on the fake one compared to the authentic. And also notice this, the Nike shoes is slightly go down on the fake one. It touched the outsole here, you can see through the outsole, whereas on the authentic Nike shoes is slightly come up, it's not right below the outsole. And another sample, still same, you can see the 35 letter here is slightly go down, it's covered with this layer. And also this one still same, Nike shoes slightly go down. And another sample, you can see here there's no line below the tip of the Nike shoes, still same. But just look at the stitching form, it's different. This one, the gap between Nike shoes, the tip of the Nike shoes and the stitching is too narrow, whereas on the authentic it has a lot more gap here. You can see, look at my pointer, a lot more gap here. And this one also, you can see here there is a black line below the tip of the Nike shoes, whereas on the authentic there is no black line. And also still same, like just I described before, the line here, the gap of the line here, and also the Nike shoes here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see the circle here on the fake one is too close with the lace hole, it's too narrow, there is no gap here on the fake one, whereas on the authentic it has a lot more gap here between the circle and the lace hole. There is no black line here on the authentic compared to the fake one. And also this one, another sample, still same, you can see it's too close with the lace hole, the circle. The letter here a lot more sloopy than the authentic. The authentic is direction here is straight, horizontal. This one is a little bit sloopy. This one has a lot more lines here. This one is not, the authentic one, there is no line here. Moving from above here, if you look at from above here, you can see the direction on the left shoes on the fake one is different on the authentic compared to the authentic one. The authentic has the opposite direction. You can see between the right shoes and the left shoes, you can see here different direction, the opposite, whereas on the fake one it has same direction. Take a closer look, you can see the line on the authentic is more clear than the fake one. And also the stitching here on the fake one, it contains only, there is two square here, 1, 2, slightly go down on the fake one. Then the authentic only one square, and after this one the KD logo here is slightly lighter than the authentic. The color here is a lot more darker on the authentic, also slightly come up, the KD logo is slightly come up on the fake one. And the insole here, you can see it's a lot more smaller on the fake one than the authentic. The authentic is a lot more, it's a little bit wider, and this one is shorter. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, there is no line on the authentic here, there is no black line, whereas on the fake one there is a black line here, a lot of black line. So here the gap between the layer on the authentic is the same, so the stitching here is placed right in the middle, whereas on the fake one the gap here is too small. I put a line on it so you can understand. Another sample, still same, you can see here the gap here, this one is slightly to the left than the authentic. You can see here the layer here. And this one, the tag inside the shoes, mostly fakes come from China and Vietnam. And this one, the fake box label, Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video just like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.